Hello friends, this is Professor Pratap N. Shinde. Welcome back for the lecture series of Engineering Mechanics. We are now in fourth lecture of unit number 5, that is variable acceleration. Today we are going to solve some numericals of variable acceleration. Let's read out the first numerical. A position of a particle is defined by x is equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 90 plus 5. Find acceleration at t is equal to 5 seconds. So the displacement equation is given. From that they have ask us to find out the acceleration a at t is equal to 5 seconds. So write down the equation x is equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 90 plus 5. Find a when t is equal to 5 seconds. So x is given. From that find out the equation of velocity dx by dt. Differentiate this equation with respect to t. So that is thrice t square minus 12t plus 9. Now velocity equation is known to us. From that we have to find out acceleration equation. Acceleration is nothing but the a is equal to dv by dt. So a is equal to 6t minus 12. So acceleration equation is now known to us. Find out the acceleration when t is equal to 5. That is substitute t is equal to 5 over here. So 6 into 5 minus 12, that is 18 meter per second square is your acceleration. So it is quite simple problem. Got it? Just we have to x is given, displacement is given. From that find out v. From v you have to find out a and substitute the value t is equal to 5 in equation of a. Next problem. An acceleration of a particle is defined by a is equal to 72 t square minus 12t minus 24. Find velocity and position of a particle at t is equal to 1 second, at t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. So it indicates that the particle is starting from the rest and from the origin also. When t is equal to 0, x is 0 and velocity is also 0. A is given. A is 72 t square minus 12t minus 24. From that we have to find out the velocity and position v and x at t is equal to 1. So a is given. What is a? A is nothing but the dv by dt. From that if you integrate the equation of a, you will get the velocity. So integrating the both side of this equation. So integration of 72 t square minus 12t minus 24 dt. So you will get v is equal to 24 t cube minus 6 t square minus 24 t plus c1. As you know that t squared integration is t cube by 3. So 3 to 72 divided by 3, that is 24 t cube. Like that I have solved this c1. Now at t is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. Therefore c1 is equal to 0. So your equation becomes v is equal to t is equal to 1. 24. Substitute the value t is equal to 1. 1 raised to cube minus 6 1 square minus 24 plus c1. Here c1 is 0. So you will get v minus 6 meter per second. That indicates that velocity is in reverse direction. Now velocity v is equal to dx by dt. So integration of x is equal to v into dt. So x is equal to, integrating this equation, if you integrate this equation, what you will get? 24 t raised to 4 upon 4. 24 divided by 4, that will 6 t raised to 4. Similarly twice t cube minus twice t cube minus 12t. So this will give you the displacement equation. Now x is equal to t1. Again here one constant of integration is there. I have forgot to write down that, but it is mentioned that x is equal to t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. That constant of integration is again 0. So excuse me, here the constant of integration will be there. Let's say this is c2, but at t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 is given. Therefore your c2 is equal to 0. So your this equation is converted as 6 raised to t raised to 4 minus 2t cube minus 12t. Now substitute t is equal to 1 in equation in order to find out displacement when t is equal to 1. After substituting the value t is equal to 1, you will get the displacement x is equal to minus 8 in reverse direction. Okay, now come towards the third problem. A velocity of particle is defined by v is equal to t cube minus t square minus 2t plus t. Find the minimum acceleration. Acceleration is minimum when dA by dt is equal to 0. So that formula you have to remember. So equation of v is given. Differentiate that equation will give you the acceleration. A is equal to dv by dt, that is 3t square minus 2t minus 2. So for minimum acceleration, dA by dt is equal to 0. So equate this equation to 0. So from that you will get equation, so this equation, don't you have to equate, this is equation of A. Again differentiate this equation with respect to t, so you will get 6t minus 2. So that is equation of dA by dt. Equate it to 0, so you will get t is equal to 2 by 6. That is 0.33 second, where you will get the minimum acceleration time when your acceleration is minimum, t is equal to 0.33. Now we have to find out the minimum acceleration, that is a is equal to 6t minus 12. Substitute this value over here, you will get the minimum acceleration minus 2.33 meter per second square. Minus sign indicates that it is retardation. Got it? That is acceleration is decreasing. So quite simple problem is this. Next problem. Rectilinear motion of a particle is described by equation A is equal to minus 0.4 v. This is given, where A and v are mm per second square and v is mm per second respectively. If v is equal to 30 mm per second at t is equal to 0, one condition is given. Find the distance traveled by the particle before coming to rest. So we have to find out displacement x, that we have to find out when v is equal to 0. ये हमें find करना है. From this condition, find the distance traveled by a particle before coming to rest. X or s we have to find out when v is equal to 0. So acceleration equation is given, a is equal to 0.4 v, but acceleration a is equal to v dv by dx. So substitute that value a over here, v dv by dx is equal to minus 0.4 v. So dv by dx, so this v and v get cancelled, is equal to minus 0.4. So dv is equal to minus 0.4 dx. Now v is equal to 30 mm per second at t is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. It is mentioned over here, if v is equal to 30 mm per second at t is equal to 0. So here I have substituted that values. V is equal to 30 mm per second at t is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 0. At v is equal to 0, find out the x, that distance travel before coming to a rest. So integrating this equation over the limit 30 and 0, your displacement when it is time, okay, substitute this value over in this equation, dv, integration of these terms. Here mention that where a and v are in mm per second respectively, if v is 30 mm per second at t is equal to 0, and at t is equal to 0, you know that x is also 0. So therefore when v is equal to 30 mm per second, this is 0, and when v is equal to 0, we have to find out the value of x. When v is equal to 0, we have to find out the x. So integrating this equation, integration of dv is v over the limit 0 to 30 and integration of dx is x over the limit 0 to x. So 0 minus 30 is equal to minus 0.4. So x minus 0. So minus 30 is equal to minus 0.4 x. So minus minus get cancel. So you will get x is equal to 75 mm. So before coming to the rest, or at the time distance traveled by the particle before coming to the rest, when v is equal to 0, x is equal to 75 mm per second. So this is your answer of the fourth numerical. So thanks for watching.